Today's quick video, or just some things I want to share or talk about, is going to be around how to still rent out cars and make money or some money in a low demand market like we're in right now, between the different holidays, being between Thanksgiving and Christmas, as people are waiting to get ready for Christmas and New Year's.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything.
What is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing? It's me, Brandon, your friend, your neighbor, your host with Innovation Property Atlanta, back with another video. Appreciate you guys taking the time out your busy day to tap in with me to watch my video. Really means a lot to me. Before we get started, guys, as always, remember to please like the video, share it with a friend or a neighbor, whoever who's interested in doing Turo or rental cars, and hit the notification button, guys. Today's quick video, or just some things I want to share or talk about, is going to be around how to still rent out cars and make money or some money in a low demand market like we're in right now, between the different holidays, being between Thanksgiving and Christmas, as people are waiting to get ready for Christmas and New Year's to spend a little bit more money on those weekends or those days. But right now it's been quiet here in Atlanta. If you guys watched my previous video. So if you do get bookings, guys, in this time or slow period, ways you can make sure to decrease your revenue is you can lower your prices depending on what kind of car you got. How much you want to lower is up to you. But if you do lower your prices, again, just remember that comes with a whole new demographic and different type of renter. And I'm not trying to stereotype everybody or point out to make it seem like everybody's bad who's at a certain price point. But if you're used to renting out cars that go from maybe $100 a day, $125, and you lower that car to $50, $60 to try to get a renter or try to get some type of utilization, it's going to bring along those type of renters, guys, that may not take care of your vehicles. But let's say in this scenario, you have cars that you want to rent out for 60, 70, and they do rent out for a couple days. Ways you can make extra money or revenue on those clients, because the reality is, and people who are other Turo hosts probably can relate to this, they do seem to leave a lot of breadcrumbs around in terms of extra fees and upcharges you can charge them, because they don't always take care of the vehicles, guys. So these are the people, again, not stereotyping, but it is what it is. They're going to smoke in the vehicle, curb rash, cleaning fee, mileage, going over the mileage, not following your rules, things like that. You can upcharge for and get money back during that rental. So let's say you got a $60 rental for 1 or 2 days and you make $120. Car comes back over 100 miles, 200 miles over the allocated miles, you can charge for that. So that might be additional $100, $150, whatever your mileage fee is. They smoke in your car, because a lot of people do smoke in rental cars, unfortunately. So you have documentation of particles and particles on the floor and the carpet, and they leave wrappers and and blunt wrappers, things like that. Take a picture of that, upload it. That could be $150, $250 smoking fee right there. So your rental, you thought you were only going to get $120 for, you might end up getting $400, $500 for. So that is the good part, or a way you can make revenue even in a down market, because those clients tend to leave breadcrumbs or leave documentation all the time when it comes to renting other vehicles. They're not clean with how they do things. Some clients will smoke in your vehicle and you smell the smoke. It's like a little hint of it. They probably did smoke, but they don't leave any type of wrappers. They don't leave any type of particles. So therefore, you got to take their word. And even though you knew they smoke in your car, you can't really document it, because you can't document smoke. But a lot of times with the cheap renters, they leave documentation, guys. So that's why you document, upload your pictures, and you can upcharge for the extras that they do for breaking the rules. So that's just a tip. I'm not saying that it's guaranteed every time you rent out your car for a cheaper price, you can get those renters. It just happens a lot of times, it brings in those renters. So they smoke even in cars that cost $150, $200 a night too. Some people just don't care, period. But it's one of my tips, guys, so how you still can make some money on some of your rentals while you're in a down market. So Hope you guys have a good day.
Fire to fuego, we pass it round hot potato. Everything is nuevo, I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil, I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special, you gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you. Some memories don't fade, sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed, less you change. What's around you, how you think, how